Maraming salamat po.
Say hi! Hi!
Good morning, Congress Flight 36511 for Tito Palawan is already dockside passengers seated from rows 1 to 9. Once again, we are now inviting passengers seated from rows 1 to 9 to please board the aircraft now to gate 70 downstairs. For the rest of the passengers, please remain seated and wait for your row number to be called. So, departing passengers, please present your body ID and boarding pass for verification.
Yun yung apatan.